To hide a column in Google Sheets, click directly on the letter at the top of that column, which selects the entire column, then right-click on that same letter and choose Hide Column from the menu. That is the core action, and if you try it right now, you will see that column vanish immediately. Before we go further, a quick note. If you are not already signed into your Google account, head over to sheets.google.com, sign in, and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once you have it in front of you, you are ready. Now, let me walk you through why this works, and some of the finer details that will save you time and prevent frustration. When you click on the column letter, say column C, you are telling Google Sheets you want to act on that entire vertical section of your data. The entire column, from row 1 all the way down to the bottom of your sheet, is highlighted. This is important because if you only click a cell inside the column, you will not get the hide option. You must select the column header itself. Once it is selected, a right-click brings up a contextual menu where Hide Column is usually the third or fourth option from the top. Click it, and that column disappears as if it were never there. One common mistake beginners make is trying to hide a column by deleting the data inside it. That does not work. The column stays just empty. Hiding is different because it removes the column from view, but keeps all your data intact and ready to unhide later. This is incredibly useful when you have reference columns, helper calculations, or private notes that you do not want cluttering your main view but still need to keep in the file. Let us say you want to hide more than one column at once. Perhaps you have columns B, C, and D that all contain intermediate formulas you do not need to see. Click and drag your cursor across the letters B, C, and D, or click the first letter, hold the Shift key, and click the last letter. All three become highlighted. Then right-click on any of those highlighted letters and choose Hide Columns B, B, D. They will all disappear at the same time. This is much faster than hiding them one by one, and it keeps your workflow clean. After you hide a column, take a look at the column headers near where it used to be. You will notice two small arrows, one pointing left and one pointing right, in the space where the hidden column used to be. These arrows are your visual clue that a column is hidden. If you hover over them, your cursor might change, and clicking them will unhide the column. This is a great built-in indicator, so you never lose track of hidden data. For example, if you hide column C, you will see a small pair of arrows between columns B and D. Click either arrow and column C reappears. Once the columns are hidden, scroll across your sheet to confirm they are gone. You should see your remaining columns A, then directly B if you hid nothing in between, or a jump in letters if you hid, say, C and D. This is a quick sanity check. If you see column letters skip from A to E, you know columns B, C, and D are hidden. Do not worry, they are safe. Now you can continue working with the visible columns. This is where hiding really shines. Your spreadsheet becomes easier to read, less overwhelming, and more focused on the data that matters right now. Maybe you are preparing a report for a manager and only need columns showing names, dates, and totals. Hide everything else. The remaining columns behave normally. You can sort, filter, edit, and format them without any interference from the hidden data. If you realize later that you need to hide more columns, simply repeat the process. Select the new column or columns, right-click and hide. You can hide as many as you like, up to leaving just a single column visible if that is what your task requires. And if you ever need those hidden columns back, just highlight the columns on either side of the hidden section, right-click, and choose Unhide Columns. You are fully in control. To recap, you have successfully hidden columns in Google Sheets. This is a simple but powerful technique that keeps your spreadsheets clean and your focus sharp. A next step you might consider is learning how to hide rows in the same way, which follows the exact same logic. Just click row numbers instead of column letters. Another useful trick is to use the View menu and check Protected Sheets and Ranges if you want to prevent others from unhiding sensitive columns in shared files. Bookmark this video or save these steps if you think you will need them again, because once you start using column hiding, you will wonder how you managed without it. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy spreadsheeting.